in compliance with the court order which was instituted and which is coming up on 5th, that is Thursday. From the union side, we suspend the strike and ask all our teachers to go back to class pending the speedy resolutions of these matters as already agreed upon between us and the Commission.
Members of KUPPET went on strike starting on June 26, 2024. Following the industrial action, the TSC has today held bilateral negotiations with the union with a view to ending the work boycott through alternative dispute resolution as provided for in the recognition agreement between parties. To this end, and after a day-long meeting, we are happy to report to the nation that we have reached an amicable settlement which will enable our teachers resume duty immediately. As promised on August 21, 2021, the Commission is today pleased to confirm that the government provided funds for the implementation of the second phase of the CBA with effect from the 1st July 2024, and all our teachers have benefited from the same together with the arrears attendance. Therefore, the government has successfully implemented all the provisions of the 2021-2025 CBA with the teacher unions. Specifically, the second phase of the CBA, which was due on 1st July 2024, was duly paid in August 2024